All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome back for another deep dive with us. And looks like today we're diving into the world of meme coins.
Yeah.
Specifically, we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin
Yeah.
and some of the recent predictions and buzz surrounding it.
Definitely a lot of hype and speculation going on around Dogecoin.
Yeah. And so, I mean, especially, as we head into December, there's always a lot of anticipation
Always.
for, what the market's going to do towards the end of the year.
Absolutely.
So we're going to be taking a look at some insights from the crypto analyst, Bluntz Capital.
Yes. Very popular.
Yeah. And they had some pretty interesting predictions about Dogecoin.
They did.
And so we're going to kind of unpack all that.
Yeah, let's get into it.
So first and foremost, Bluntz Capital is predicting that Dogecoin could see a 4 times increase.
Wow. Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, if it breaks through a certain resistance level.
So we're talking about price predictions here, and 4 times increase is pretty substantial. So obviously, whenever you hear numbers like that, it's important to, take it with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
But also kind of understand the reasoning behind it.
Absolutely.
So Bluntz Capital is talking about this idea of information accumulation.
Yeah.
Essentially a pattern of significant trading activity happening without a major price shift yet.
So like the market's holding its breath.
Yeah, exactly.
Waiting for something to tip the scales.
Totally. Like a coiled spring that's ready to release.
Yeah.
And so they've identified a critical resistance level at 50 cents for Dogecoin.
Okay.
If we look at recent trading volume, you'll notice a surge around this price point.
Interesting.
Indicating a strong selling pressure.
Okay.
So if Dogecoin can break through this resistance, it could trigger what Bluntz describes as a violent upward movement.
Wow, violent. So they're really emphasizing this idea of like a
sudden and powerful upward movement.
Yeah, it's not going to be a gradual kind of, slow climb. They think it's going to be a pretty quick and sharp move up.
Okay, so what would a breakout above that 50-cent mark? I mean, in the bigger picture for Dogecoin.
Right. So that breakout above 50 cents is really crucial because it could potentially clear the path for Dogecoin to retest and possibly surpass its previous all-time high.
Which was?
Which was 90 cents.
90 cents, okay.
That was back in, early 2021.
Gotcha.
During that big kind of meme coin frenzy.
Yeah.
So, if it breaks through 50 cents, it's got a clear shot, potentially, to go back up to 90 cents and even beyond.
Okay, so they're clearly bullish on Dogecoin.
Very bullish.
But, what about the overall crypto market?
Right.
As we head into December, what's their outlook on that?
Yeah, so interestingly, they're predicting a strong December bull run.
For the entire market.
Okay.
Not just Dogecoin, but really a lot of the major cryptocurrencies. And here's the kicker.
Okay.
They believe that meme coins, especially Dogecoin, Pepe and Shiba Inu, could actually lead the charge.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So they're attributing this to growing enthusiasm from retail investors.
Okay.
So almost like a meme coin mania.
Meme coin mania.
Brewing.
Yeah. So December could be a pretty exciting month.
Yeah, definitely a month to watch.
To keep an eye on.
For sure.
Especially if you're, thinking about dipping your toes into that market.
Exactly.
But of course, I think it's always important to emphasize that analyst predictions are not guarantees.
No, they're not crystal balls, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Especially in the volatile world of crypto.
Right.
Meme coins in particular are known for their unpredictable price swings.
Yeah. I mean, it can be a roller coaster.
It can be.
So always do your own research.
Please do your own research.
Understand the risks involved.
Yes, understand those risks.
Invest responsibly.
Absolutely. Could not agree more.
All right, so just to recap, Bluntz Capital sees the potential for significant price increases for Dogecoin if it breaks through that 50-cent resistance level.
It's the key level.
And they also predict a broader crypto market upswing in December, possibly led by this surge meme coin popularity.
Yeah, it's an interesting idea.
It is.
Right, this potential meme coin surge. Could it be more than just a temporary trend?
Right.
Could this indicate a shift in how people perceive and engage with cryptocurrency?
Yeah, that's a really interesting question. I mean, could meme coins driven by community and, a sense of fun actually become a more significant force in the crypto landscape? Yeah.
Definitely food for thought.
Absolutely. Something to ponder as we continue to navigate.
Just this ever-evolving
world of cryptocurrency. All right, well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
Be sure to keep exploring, keep learning. And we'll catch you on this one.
Sounds good.